Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool collapsible little rolling cart slash trolley. This was actually sent really well. It was packaged extremely nice. It does have plastic components as well as the strength to hold up to 180 pounds or 80 pounds when it is expanded out. This has locking mechanisms. This is great because this thing here actually can store in an extremely narrow position, which is great for those that are looking to have to save some space. We do have some wheels that it did come with, which these wheels have locks on them as far as the wheels go. Feel very nice as far as the wheels go, and they are casters, so they will rotate around. As far as putting them on, very simple. Just going to simply stick them in place, line up the pegs, and lock those in place just as such. And now that those are on there, I'm going to get the other ones on there, and then we'll expand it out. So now that those casters are on there, you can see this is actually a very streamlined design, but it does expand out. You unlock the sides. This part here simply slides open. It has an internal piece that will drop down and get in place there. So now that'll hold up to 80 pounds in the center of there like that. So that way, if you're traveling, you're going to go to the store and put anything in there like items inside your cart, you can do that and wheel it around. You do have the ability to lock these sides down to stiffen it up, and you can do that so that you can actually add this top piece here, and then it actually snaps in place, so that adds a nice protective cover on that as well. These casters here actually rotate a full 360 degrees, very easy to move. You can either move this like you would a piece of luggage, or you can actually just tilt it back on two legs and walk around with it like you would a dolly and pull it behind you for very much ease of movement. One finger pulling on that. This also fits easily in the back of a car because, much like luggage, if you push the button there, that will collapse completely down, so that will store in the back of a car. So to give you an idea of what this can hold as far as the structural stability here, this is my daughter here and she's on there, and it moves around just fine on those casters, easily can hold all the weight, and is perfectly stable. Whenever you're done and ready to store this thing away, very convenient. Take off the lid. It's got a nice hook here that fits right in that slot. Push that down, and now everything is stored in a very small, streamlined design, and it'll easily fit behind a door, next to a couch, in a cupboard, or in your trunk.